Hello everyone. In next few minutes, we will give you a quick walkthrough and experience of Greenie. Let's start off with Greenie dashboard home screen. What you see on the top right is the total consumption for the day and a comparison of the same with the previous day's consumption. What you see on the left hand side is a month's total consumption and again a comparison of the same against the previous month. On the right hand side, you get to see the bill amount. And in Greenie, we can program your specific tariff in the system to get accurate bill amount and bill cycle. It does not matter what kind of a tariff you have. Some of you might have different tariff for different times of the day or a telescopic rating. We can do all of that. Now look at this. Another important aspect to be monitored for your energy management is overall load balancing. This section gives you the information of the connected load on each of the phase and how well the overall load is distributed among all the three phases. The data gets updated every 30 seconds when the data set arrives from the hardware to the software. If you just recall, we indicated that our system samples data every second, that is sampling time, but a batch of 30 seconds data is transferred to our software, that is every 30 seconds the data gets transferred. So this particular section gives you an indication of the real-time load balancing at a place. As you all know, just knowing how load is distributed or how well it is balanced in a static situation is not good enough. Because depending on your consumption, if the load balancing gets off or goes off, it can have an impact. And Greenie can give you that information on a real-time basis throughout the day, or week, or the month. Further down, you can see the phantom load. Phantom load is nothing but the load which is always on in a premises. This is an important aspect because you need to know what are the loads which are always on. If you look at an installation or a factory or a premises which does not work 24 hours, the phantom load should be not more than 5% or 6%. And if you're talking about a 24/7 operating place, the phantom load could be about 15 or maybe 20-25% and not more than that. So looking at the phantom load and monitoring and keeping a close tab on the phantom load is an important aspect of your energy monitoring and management. On the right hand side, you get the hourly consumption split up for the day. The time slots, which all time slot you want to monitor in different color code, you can configure that in various color code. For example, if you have different shifts, you can configure the shift timing and you can see the tariff or the consumption for each of the shift. Many of our customers do that on a shift level monitoring. Further down, you can see the carbon emission, which is again an important aspect because all of us work hard to reduce or optimize our carbon footprint today. Look at the live data screen. You get the real-time current and voltage values on each phase. The hourly split up of the consumption of the day. And further below, you get to see the equipment those are working at this point in time and the load contribution or the consumption of each of this. Now this is the data captured by a single hardware. That's an important aspect. You do not need any additional sensors to be installed at individual equipment level. That's a uniqueness of our solution. If you look at the traditional energy monitoring solution, they use equipment level sensors to get equipment level analysis. What's the problem with that? It makes the solution extremely expensive and very complex to deploy. And Greenie uses the technological approach called energy disaggregation, which makes the solution not only cost effective, it is also very easy to deploy. We are talking about deploying the solution in about 30 to 40 minutes per hardware. Look at the reports section. Greenie provides an array of reports of your energy usage or energy consumption. It gives you daily report, monthly report, or yearly report. and it reports on parameters like voltage, current, power factor, and all that. I mean, these are the three parameters that you need, right, for you to monitor your overall consumption and wastage. The wastage report is another key report in addition to the billing summary report. If you need to compare the consumption and performance of 2 days, you want to see, okay, what was my consumption yesterday? What is the consumption today? You can do that by using compare days tab. What you see here. Let's look at the daily report. By default, you get to see the data of the current day. However, if you want to go back to a particular day, you can select that by using this calendar, and you can generate report for that particular day. The data available in this report includes the consumption of the day, hourly split up, pie chart, showing the consumption breakdown, phantom load, and the contribution from phantom load on that particular day. Scrolling down, you can see the load balance during minimum and peak load conditions. Further, you get detailed hourly analysis of the total load, peak load on each phase, and the minimum load on each phase. You can also check the power factor trends every hour. I'm sure we all understand the importance of monitoring power factor regularly. As we all know, in some states in India, you could get penalized if you do not maintain power factor above 0.95 or 0.97. And down at the very end, you get the detailed equipment level consumption report. The list includes the consumption, running time, and energy cost incurred by each of these equipment. Click on one of this, you can see the hourly consumption as well. Now this allows you to understand two important things. Is the consumption of your equipment optimum based on its rating and the wattage and all of that? And whether the equipment has been running during your office hours, or is it running at a time when it is not expected to be running? This is how you basically approach your energy monitoring and management. And go down to the monthly report page. The monthly page provides the same set of information what we talked about in the daily report on a monthly level. So you can do a comparison of current month consumption versus last month consumption, the cumulative, the maximum load, the minimum load, the phase-wise distribution, and all of that. And finally, at the very end, you get the equipment level usage also. Just go click in one of those, you get the comparison of its usage across the day. Because this is how you do it, right? How do you do energy monitoring and management? You look at the total consumption, and if you find consumption on a particular day is higher, you go to that particular day. Within that day, you look at which time slot or during what time did you have the higher equipment usage or the consumption. Now, in that particular time slot, you see equipment level and see which all equipment have contributed to this high level consumption, because that is when you can take corrective actions. Because having the cumulative information is not good enough. You need to basically understand which all equipment have contributed to this particular higher consumption for you to take corrective actions. Greenie software also identifies energy wastage at your premises. And how do you classify energy wastage? It can be broadly classified into 4 categories. One is the copper loss, power factor loss. With a poor power factor, you will have a higher current, which leads to higher consumption. The other one is the phantom load, which is the always on load. You should look at optimizing it. And the last type of wastage is equipment wastage, is because of any technical issue. So you need to understand the consumption of each of these equipment. You can baseline the consumption based on its rating and wattage and all of that. And if the equipment is consuming more, it gets notified. The system will notify you of such abnormal behavior in the system, and that can trigger an action from your side. This is how Greenie helps you to monitor and manage your energy level, energy consumption, and optimize it, and thereby save money and reduce wastage. Thank you.